lawn mowing, gardening and soft landscaping. Kellyville, New South Wales. With no shortage of work, you won't need to advertise with this long-established, home-based business. There's room for growth too, through more acreage maintenance, hard landscaping and more commercial strata work. The range of services ensures year-round income, with excellent profits and many long-term clients in place. The current client base includes 7 strata and factory complexes, 10 acreage properties, plus prestige and smaller residential. Being an independent business, there are no franchise fees to worry about, and you choose your working hours. Online advertising and management of referrals from existing clients would grow the business quickly if desired. With real potential to take it to the next level, this package is perfect for someone seeking a life change. Or, with everything included, it would suit a buyer looking to go out on their own without starting from scratch.